And I've got very special visitors today. You see, we are having our meal today.
Today is today.
Yes, guys, can you say out your names? Because you know, yes, Papa, this is, you know what is this, guys?
This is Mr. Ken.
This is Mr.
Oh,
Yes.
what's up, bro?
Yeah, fine,
I
guys.
never knew you're making a video.
It's a video, guys, because this is very nice.
How are you
Yeah.
doing, man?
Yes.
I'm having this.
Yes.
Sansa.
Salsa, salsa,
Salsa, and I'm
And my
having a
chance.
wooden plate.
You wouldn't play it.
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe. And we are from where?
Kenya. Kenya, East Africa.
Kenya, East Africa.
It's very far, right?
Yes,
And now
yes.
we are in Zimbabwe.
Yes.
You know what you're eating is salsa with?
I don't know. What is this?
That's my chance. Mkomake, can you show the camera to him? I
Yes.
want to see how he's going to like my chance.
What is this?
That's called soya chunks.
What?
Soya.
Soya.
Chunks. Yes.
Soya
Yeah,
chunks.
chunks.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that's
Soya beans.
Eat. I don't know whether they are going to enjoy it. I don't know. Oh, let's just see. Yeah. Papa, what about you? Yeah, please on me.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
let me try this.
So they're trying for the first time.
It's for the first time you do it.
Is it?
Eesh.
Oh, why you think we're not going to like
Hey.
it?
Tell us.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
The best.
Yes. This is we were born and bred to drink this. This is our staple of food here. It's sadza. We call it sadza, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is the staple food in Kenya?
Same food. We call it ugari.
We call it ugari.
Yeah, but they make it
But
strong.
ours is
Ah,
hard.
It's stronger than this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, very hard.
Okay. Yeah, so guys, you may eat. I'm happy for you.
Maybe tomorrow I'll cook for you. So
Yes.
Perfect.
Oh,
That's
my
okay.
babo.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we cooked it somewhere. They didn't manage to eat it.
what do you
They didn't.
Yeah, I was in Namibia. They said, "Oh, this one is very hard." Yeah, it was hard for them. The eggs are small.
But Papa,
Ah.
I can cook it, but make it a little.
but before you eat,
It's okay.
do you pray before you eat?
Yes.
Do you pray?
Yeah, we do.
You know, even before this food was created,
Yeah.
God knew it will come, and I will eat it. So, but we
Obvious.
pray. But we pray.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. But this, it's like there's too much salt today. Me, I don't like too much salt.
But they are nice. Yeah.
It's nice, but why,
Just
Auntie,
said it too
you
much.
put it too much salt? You why?